Hi, welcome to FinCraft. This is our landing page, and with these upload buttons, you can directly upload your invoices, GSTN 2A data, vendor master data, and purchase register. Let's see how we can upload. We have to go to purchase, download the sample download file, and upload the same. Similar for 2A data and vendor master data. We can also see our upload logs, the files that we have uploaded, and the status of the file. Let's see where we can see our data. We have to go to reports. For example, GSTR 2A data. We can see all the data 2A data regarding this GST number. We can also filter it using this GST number. Similarly, for purchase data, purchase register, we can go to this report and also filter the data using this GST number. This is our vendor data, vendor master data, where you can find all the vendors details pertaining to this GST number. Here we also showcase you PAN Aadhaar linked applicable or not applicable, PAN allotted date, specified person under 206AB and 206 CCA, last file GSTR 1, last file GSTR 3B, also if the vendor is eligible under e-invoicing or not. We have also prepared a vendor score analysis for you, where the score is given based on these criteria. We have also given a detailed values so that you can understand your vendor well. You can also see these are the two vendors pertaining to these GST numbers. So you can just click and see the vendor score for other vendors. Now let's go to invoices. So these are the few invoices which we have already uploaded. This is we can click here and choose a file and we can upload an invoice. This is a data management system where you can also click on the invoice name and you can easily get to the invoice. Also the QR data that our tool has read. Let me showcase you one example. This is a GST invoice with 3 pages, duplicate pages. Our tool is capable enough to understand the duplicacy of invoices and read only one QR out of that. Also, this QR is not readable by an IC, but our portal is able to read the invoice, read the QR. For the description of the video, so showcasing you the example, you can check the link below. Let's go to the recon page. So this is the reconciliation page where the purchase register has been reconciled with GSTR 2 and QR invoices pertaining to this GST number. So here we can see there is an invoice not received. So let's see if we upload the invoice regarding to this and the escalation is removed. It will take a minute to read the QR code. it has red. So this is the invoice number that was missing. Let's see on the recon page. The invoice is received here now. This is the invoice number. It was previously showing not received, it has received now. Let's see other escalation mismatch options. So the date is mismatched here. To view it, you can scroll to the right and see the invoice date is mismatched. Also in the reports you can get also in reports you can get other also in the reports tab you can get other reports which will be helpful to you, like taking QR as the basis you can reconcile your you can view the reconciled data. Taking GSTR 2A you can view the reconciled data, and you can also view other reports. This is a dashboard where you can see the available GST to be claimed regarding this GST number, also the total number of vendors and other details which will help you understand well. Thank you.